Hello everyone, this is Keyman live in Miami, and I'm just here messing around with the BMW MSV80. Here I'm in my room, not in the lab today. MSV80. I'm just messing around. Doing a couple of little things. I just want to share a few things with everyone out there about the FC200. I mean, it's got a lot of potential. Hopefully they'll fix some of the bugs that it has, and I just want to show you guys a couple of things that I see that's wrong with it. So in case it happens to you, you'll know what to do. Okay, like I said, I'm in my room. Today's date is March 13th, 2022. It's 8:23 p.m. in Miami. It's windy and cool. Feels good outside. Great day. So here we go. This is the diagram, line diagram. I already got everything set up over here. Everything is good to go. Here my grandkids outside raising hell playing. Okay, now I'm gonna hit the identification button to identify the ECU, but you're gonna see where it says fail. See where it says fail? Okay, but if you read it, it says connection failed. Please check whether the wiring is correct. Some engine VINs cannot be recognized. You can try the next button. Okay, so what I do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and click read ISN. It is gonna say the same thing again because it couldn't read the VIN. It's gonna say fail again, but it's gonna get authorization from the server and it's gonna read the ISN. So in case this happened to you, don't panic, because it's gonna continue to read the ISN. Might not get the VIN because maybe something is wrong with the ECU, or you can't read the VIN on the ECU, or the ECU is damaged. But you just go ahead to the next button. Now I'm gonna go to backup data. I'm gonna hit backup data, and you're gonna see where it's gonna do its thing. It's gonna fail again, but it's gonna go get the authorization, and it's gonna read the data. So, this is one of the bugs in the system. Not saying that it's not a good unit. It's a good unit for the price that we pay, and for, the updates and stuff in a year. It's not bad. I mean, this unit helped me a few times, which I have other programs that could do the same thing, but, this unit makes it easier to plug up, and I don't know, for me, it's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. It's still a good unit to buy, especially if you're a beginner and you want to learn, whatever. It's still a good unit to buy. Not gonna knock it, say it's not a good unit. I've seen where other people made posts about this unit, but once you start using it and you start seeing other stuff about it, you get to like it. Okay, now it's finished backing up 100%. So I'm just gonna save that file. Like I said, I'm in my room just messing around. So we save it. And now, here we go. All right. So here it says backup successful. So although it says fail all this, see, backup successful. Okay. Now, if you want to write the ISN, see, if you want to write the ISN, you could click ISN, write ISN right there. Now we're going to go back down. See, although it says fail again, it's doing its thing. So even when it says fail, and you know you check your connections and you see your connections are right and everything is good, just go ahead and go to the next button, and it will do its thing. So, you know, don't panic and say, oh, start fussing and cussing, and you know, just go to the next button and click it. As long as you check your connection. As long as you check your connections and make sure everything is okay. Now it's at 72%. Y'all might hear my grandkids outside playing. It's gonna be at 97, 99, 100%. Finish. Now it's on the roll. Okay. All right. So now it's done, and then it's gonna ask me to save that. So I'm gonna save that. You know, always save. When it actually save, always save. Okay. So I'm gonna put ISN file. Original. Okay. I'll put test. All right, so save that. And once I hit save, you will see that it's gonna come up with the ISN bar. So I could change that ISN if I want and put a different ISN in it. Babe. It's just that I can't.
What kind of I brought two types of fish.
Hold on. One second. It's just, it's got two. You could erase the ISN and put a different ISN in it. You just can't change the VIN. You can't see the VIN and you can't modify the VIN. So I push OK because I'm not really gonna change the ISN. I'm just, you know, showing you guys a few things. So I'm gonna push OK. That was my wife walking, asked me what kind of fish I wanna get. So now, eating fish for dinner. So now it's gonna write the ISN. So if you had to change the ISN, you could have still changed the ISN. So that's, you know, with this bug, it is sort of heartbreaking because if you change the ISN, you're gonna want to change the VIN as well. You know, unless you change the VIN already with another computer, or you have another computer, another programmer that you could change the VIN after you write the ISN. Because, you know, one thing I've learned in this business, sometimes one programmer doesn't do everything. So you might have one that could write the ISN and one could write the VIN, or one could write the VIN and when I write the ISN, vice versa. You know, so I'm just showing you, you know, the bug in this programmer. And like I said, it's not like it's not a good programmer. It's a good programmer. Not the best, but it's a good programmer. It could do a lot of work, a lot of things. You know, so even when it says fail here, other programmers would just leave you stranded. Can't do anything. But at least it continued and get other things done. It continued and get other things done. Because I know other programmers, you know, once it failed, you can't do anything. But they went and got it done. Although it says failed, they went and got it done. So that's a good thing. So, you know, it's not bad. You know, other programmers, once it says fail, you can't go no further. That's it. Okay? So now, it finished writing the ISN. Finish writing the ISN. So now if I want to restore everything, I go back over here in case I changed the DME. I go to restore, and it says this data is about to be written. So you click yes. Okay, then I go find the file. If I remember. And then once I found the file, I can restore it. I didn't really, because I'm just doing a test, I didn't pay attention where I stored it, whether I stored it on the desktop or whatever. So go to my documents, maybe it's there. I really didn't look because I was doing just a test to show you guys what's going on. And that's my bad. I should always take a look at, make sure I know what I'm doing. Okay, this is the file backed up. So now if I was changing the ECU and I wanted to clone it, I hit open. It's connecting. It says fail again, but look at this. Still getting the authorization. And it's gonna write it. Now you can't beat that. You cannot beat it at all. See, it's writing the program right now on the computer. So all the backed up file would be going on the new ECU. That was my grandson. Just came in. You know, kids. So 24 seconds. Writing this big file always take a little bit longer. And so far we're 14 minutes into this recording. Yeah, backup file is going to take a little bit longer to write. So, like I said, I'm in my room. I just figured I had to show you guys this. Did a quick setup. Just to give you a heads up, so in case you run into this particular problem, or you have another programmer that can't really, you have another programmer that's keep failing. And if you have this programmer, you could just grab this programmer and do what you got to do. You know, sometimes you have a program that's keep failing. You could just grab this programmer and just do what you got to do and just get it done. And you see, it's almost done. It's 79, 80%. But whenever you're gonna write back a file, especially a huge file like this to the computer, it usually take a long time. Not really a long time, but a little bit longer than just reading and writing the ISN. So right now we're about 97%. We're just about done. And just gonna finish up. It's in the finishing stages right now, 50%. Here goes, voila. So it's a data recovery success. See it? Data recovery success. Writing EEPROM extent. So it is, you know, that's about it, guys. It's very quick, very easy. And like I said, once you get this error where it says fail, don't get discouraged. Just try it and go ahead, move forward, and you could get it done. As long as you check your wiring and your wiring is good, okay? And it's for the right ECU with the engine and everything. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, ask a question. I will try and answer in a timely fashion, okay? Y'all have a great day and be safe.